How to make chewing gum at home. Chewing gum is very easy to make and can be made in different ways. With so much time on my hands right now, it's time for another kitchen activity with the kids. Of course, they are thrilled to do it, because what kid doesn't like chewing gum? Classic chewing gum recipe. 1/3 cup gooey gum base, 3 tablespoons corn syrup, half teaspoon citric acid, 5 drops peppermint flavoring extract, 3/4 cup powdered sugar for the gum base and a little more for dusting. Other things you will need: parchment paper cut into 3 by 3 inch. Instructions. Step 1. Using a double boiler, heat all ingredients except the powdered sugar. Over medium-high heat. Stir occasionally until the gum mixture becomes gooey. Step 2. Set aside a tablespoon of powdered sugar. Step 3. Make a well out of the rest of the powdered sugar and pour the gum base into. Step 4. Dust your fingers with powdered sugar, knead the gum base mixture to combine with the powdered sugar. Step 5. Knead for 15 minutes, add a little more powdered sugar if necessary. You need to achieve a dough that is soft. Step 6. Roll the gum dough into thin ropes. Step 7. Cut the gum into bite-sized pieces. Step 8. Dust the gum with powdered sugar and wrap in squared parchment paper. Natural beeswax chewing gum recipe. Half cup food-grade beeswax, 1 cup powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons honey or corn syrup, 5 drops peppermint flavoring extract. Other things you will need: candy molds, parchment paper cut into 3 by 3 inch squares. Instructions. Step 1. Melt the wax using a double boiler over medium-high heat. Step 2. Add the honey or corn syrup once the wax is soft and. Step 3. Stir until well combined. Step 4. Add the flavoring and stir. Step 5. Add the sugar to the gum base. Step 6. Taste the mixture and see if you need to add more sweetener and flavor. Step 7. Once your gum base is ready, pour it into candy molds and refrigerate. Step 8. Pop the gum out of the molds and wrap in parchment paper. Additional tips. You may use food coloring and other flavoring extracts based on your preference. For sugar-free gums, use the natural beeswax gum recipe and replace powdered sugar with stevia and get rid of the honey. Add more peppermint flavor.